Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create animated GIFs in Canva, right? It's going to be very easy, so I will just explain you in few seconds, right? So this is into my Canva, and to create a GIF, first of all, of course you can create a GIF from a video, so make sure if you want to create a GIF from a video, you can just drag your video into the upload section, and once you do that, you can just put it here, and you can just follow the instruction which I'm going to show you, right? For example, let's say that I take a GIF, right? I take a video. For example, you can also create GIFs from graphics. For example, these are the images, or if I want to do it, for example, to use a, by the way, to use a video from a Canva, you need to have a pro version. So let's say this one, right? So I will just make this way and make it full screen, right? So yeah, and I'll just delete this. So I just want to create a GIF out of this, right? So how I can do it? To create a GIF, you have to click on the share, which is on the top right? And you have to go to the download section. So if you're into the download section, then it will be automatic into MP4 because by default is a video, right? So to convert a GIF, you have to just click on this, and once you click, you will get a drop down, and by the way, you in the end you will find an option which is called GIF, right? You can see short clips, no sound. So if I just click on GIF, and if you want to save this setting, you can save this. And by the way, if you don't have a pro version, then you can't reduce or increase the size, the quality of the GIF, right? Then I'll just click on the continue, and once it will get download, it's showing here. So yeah, it's take a very few seconds to get download. By the way, you can just turn GIF into anything. For example, if I just go to the graphics, right, or some small kind of videos, I can do that. For example, there's a lot of things where you can create GIF, right? For example, if I just go here, you can, there's a lot of stickers, you can convert the stickers into GIF. By what I'm trying to say, you can just convert anything into a GIF, right? So once it get download, right, it will just take a few seconds to do it. So guys, the GIF is downloaded, and it will get downloaded here in just 15 seconds right now, and then I will show you that how does this GIF look like, right? So I'll just remove this for right now. Okay, so this is the GIF which I have created from the Canva, right? By the way, it's a longer form of video, that's why the GIF got a little bit longer, but depending upon your length of the video, you can create a GIF. I hope you understood this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.